Today is November 20th, 2024, and I've logged into VanilladPup64 PuppyLinux, and I'm going to show you how to install a font in PuppyLinux. What we'll do is we'll download Nilus font, and then also we'll extract it, and then we'll make sure that it works in Geany and Gimp. So that's the plan. So the first thing what we want to do is go ahead and go to the site. I googled download Nilus font, and then I picked this here, and this is where we are, and this is what the font looks like, and all you have to do is just click on download and then it's already completed. And we'll go to rocks, downloads, root, downloads. This is the file, so we'll go ahead and extract it. So right click and then go, I'll just use p extract and then extract. So here are two files. So what we have to do is to get that properly installed is to we'll go to, what we'll do is LX terminal, and then find out where the I know it's in USR main directory, and then we'll go ahead and iname TTF, so we'll see where all the TTF files are. So then it'll give you idea truetype fonts share. So this is where the fonts are, TTF. So we'll go to we'll open up another and then you are share fonts and truetype, and then you'll close the and you'll close the terminal here. So here we are. So here's a truetype. What we'll do is we'll make a Nilus directory here just for organization's sake, and then within it what we'll do is just move these two files in it. So we'll just move them. So now we have to make sure that font cache gets reset. So font counter cache dash R will reread all the font files. So it'll take a second, and then so that's all done. We'll close everything. Now we'll check the Geany again, and what we'll do is we'll close this, and then we'll have to open it up again. So Geany, and here we are, and then we will go to let's see, we'll open up a new window here, and then we'll say hello. Let's just go to file. We should just go to preferences, edit, preferences, and then we're gonna go to interface, and let's see if there is a Nilus font that's now you can see that there is the Nilus, so and then we'll just click and then apply and then OK. Hello world. Okay, so it installed the into Geany fine. So let's just go ahead and we don't need to save this. Let's just check it in the Gimp. So this is a brand new font, so let's just go to edit, Well, what we can do is just go ahead and start a new canvas here, and then we're gonna go into text tool and then click, and then right now there's sans serif that's installed or is, so we'll just go ahead and click and then see if there is a Nilus installed. So we go to N, a lot of fonts are installed. So here is Nimbus. We don't want a Nimbus, so Nimbus. So there's Nilus here, Nilus semicode. Okay, so we'll go ahead and make it large, and then let's see, italic is fine, and then hello. So now so we can confirm that it's installed and it's working fine in two major programs. So